Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check to find lot of trucks here, lot of cars, heroes. So now let's check with me with this truck. A dirty Spider-Man. A dirty Spider-Man becomes a nice Spider-Man. Racing car, cute racing car, green color. A dirty truck. A dirty truck becomes a nice truck. Cute car. Hero Iron Man, red color. Mini airplane. Green racing car. Mini monster truck. I don't know its name. If you know, please write down. Bus, mini bus. Yellow car. Mini racing car, green color. Everyone, let's move to another truck. Air drum bus. Green airplane. Mini monster truck. A logistic truck. There are two containers, yellow container and green container. Everybody, let's move to another vehicle. This one, a nice excavator. How about this one, everybody? A police super motorbike. A police super motorbike, white color. Supercar, green color. Mobil Truk, in Indonesian language, Mobil Truk. Monster truck. Police car. Crane. A cute excavator, mini excavator. I like this one. Do you like this one? If you like this one, please write down, everybody. My cute excavator. Airplane. Everybody, thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, if you like this video, please write down. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.